Hello all. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your status bar transparent on Flutter. As you can see, the same code on a simulator, on an iOS simulator, automatically you don't need to be worried about the status bar. Your object can be placed in a transparent way without you being worried about fixing that. Is automatic here. But however, if we come to this Android, this is an Android emulator. You can see that the status bar is pure white, and the design is to achieve a transparent status bar, to really get the beauty just like you see on the iOS. In order to achieve this, there is a very common information you find online. Once you apply the system UI overlay style, once you activate status bar color, it is meant to solve this problem automatically. However, you notice that if we activate it now, I'm activating it. So let's see if there will be any difference. So for the status bar color, we chose colors.transparent, hoping that it will make the status bar transparent. But let's see what we'll get. Yeah, my emulator is hanging a bit because I'm running the simulator and the emulator together, and that is quite heavy on the system, so it's a bit slow. But hold on, it's going to display. Okay, so you have seen that I've updated the status bar color to transparent, but you can still see this white overlay. And even if you add with opacity to 0.0, it will still give you this. And if you adjust the status bar icon brightness to light, or the status bar brightness, the both of them, if you activate them, let's see if there will be any difference. You can see no difference. Meanwhile, on the iOS simulator, none of these changes really matter because it has a transparent status bar automatically. Going back to the emulator, the key thing that actually gives you the result you want is having this system status bar contrast enforced, putting it to false. This little change is what will give you your transparent status bar. So let's reload and see if there's a difference. Okay, as you can see over here is not yet displaying, and that is because in the home screen of this app I also have a custom system UI overlay as a result of some reasons. So let me uncomment them and then reload and see. All right, as you can see, this is now when we truly achieve a transparent status bar on the Android emulator. Yeah, so apply this system Chrome settings using the system UI overlay style, making sure that your status bar color is transparent and your system status bar contrast enforced is false. Once you do this, you have your transparent status bar, and this is using the latest Flutter version 3.32. I'm using the beta version, the pre-release version. So if you have any question on fixing this, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section and I'll assist.